In this video, we're going to show you how to align dimensions perfectly in a row in AUTOCAD. Dimensions are one of the most important elements in technical drawings because they communicate measurements clearly and help others understand the design. When dimensions are properly aligned, drawings look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. However, after creating multiple dimensions, you may notice that some dimension lines sit slightly higher or lower than others. Even when the measurements are correct, uneven dimensions can make a drawing appear disorganized and difficult to follow. The good news is that AUTOCAD provides a simple tool that allows you to align multiple dimensions quickly without having to move each one manually. By the end of this video, you'll learn an easy method to align dimensions perfectly in a row and improve the overall appearance of your drawings. So let's get started. The first method is to use the Dimension Space command. Type DIM space into the command line and press Enter. Next, select the dimensions you want to align and press Enter. Then, select the base dimension that you want the other dimensions to follow. AUTOCAD will automatically organize and align the selected dimensions in a clean and consistent arrangement. If needed, you can also specify a spacing value to control the distance between dimension lines. This helps create a professional layout and improves readability. If you're working with only a few dimensions, you can also use the Move command and object snaps to manually position them in the same row. In most situations, the Dimension Space command is the fastest and easiest solution. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, start the Dimension Space command and select the dimensions you want to organize. Second, choose a base dimension and allow AUTOCAD to align the remaining dimensions automatically. And third, adjust the spacing if necessary to achieve a clean and professional layout. Remember that properly aligned dimensions make drawings easier to read and help present information more clearly. Small improvements in organization can have a significant impact on the overall quality of a drawing. Using dimension alignment tools can also save time compared to manually adjusting each dimension one at a time. This is especially useful in large projects where dozens of dimensions must be arranged consistently across multiple views and layouts. Taking a few moments to organize dimensions can improve drawing accuracy, readability, and professionalism. It's a simple technique, but it's one that many experienced AUTOCAD users rely on every day. And that's how to align dimensions perfectly in a row in AUTOCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AUTOCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AUTOCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AUTOCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.